Advocate Upasna from the Law Offices of Kuvar VIVEK Tanwar, Advocate and Associates. I welcome you all to our series Lawyers, a byproduct of our YouTube channel, The Noble Litigators. I'm here to discuss some common FAQs on the law of maintenance. First of all, what is maintenance? Maintenance is an amount payable by the person who refuses to maintain their dependents, such as wives, children, and parents. The law provides a speedy, effective, and inexpensive remedy against such persons. The law of maintenance applies to persons irrespective of their religion. Now, who are entitled for the maintenance? The person who are dependents, such as wife, children, and parents, possesses the right to claim maintenance from the person on whom they are dependent. But the right to claim maintenance is subject to certain conditions. Now comes to the question when the wife is entitled to claim maintenance. The wife, whether she is a minor or major, if she is unable to maintain herself, then she is entitled to claim maintenance. But the wife should be a legally wedded wife. After the divorce, the wife will be entitled to claim maintenance until she does not remarry, irrespective of the fact that her husband divorced her or she divorced her husband. Whereas, there are some circumstances under which she is not entitled to claim maintenance, such as if the marriage stands void, if she is living in adultery, if she has a sufficient means to support herself, if she refuses to live with the husband without any reasonable excuse, or if she is living separately with mutual consent. Further, when the husband can claim for maintenance. The husband can claim maintenance only when he is unable to maintain himself on the ground of being mentally or physically incapable. Now comes to the question when the children are entitled to maintenance from their father. The children are entitled to claim maintenance when they are minor, irrespective of their legitimacy. A child who is major can also claim maintenance if he or she is physically or mentally incapable to earn. Whereas, a major daughter who is unmarried is entitled for the maintenance. Further, when the parents are entitled to claim maintenance from the children, the natural mother and father, the adoptive mother and father are entitled for the maintenance only if they are incapable to maintain themselves. Whereas, the stepfather and the stepmother are not entitled to claim maintenance, but if the stepmother is childless, she is entitled to claim the maintenance from their children. Now, one of the important questions is whether dependents are entitled to claim maintenance even during the pendency of the case. And the answer is yes. The dependents are also entitled to claim maintenance even during the pendency of the application before the court. And the magistrate is empowered to pass an order of interim maintenance of monthly allowance in favor of such person. Now comes to the procedural question. The first one is, what are the documents required for filing the maintenance petition? You are required to present the following documents: document for the address proof, documents for marriage proof, photos of marriage, marriage certificate, Aadhaar card, and PAN card. And second question is where you can file petition for maintenance. You can file the petition for maintenance before the judicial magistrate in the family court. And the petition can be filed at the place where the wife resides, either before her marriage or after her marriage, or where the wife or the husband is residing at present. That's all for today. I hope you all have liked our podcast channel. If so, then do please subscribe our channel Noble Litigators. Thank you and have a good day.